Flamingos are iconic wading birds renowned for their vibrant pink plumage, extraordinary long legs, slender necks, and distinctive downward curving bills. They belong to the family Phenicopteridae, the only extant family in the order Phenicopteriformes. There are 6 recognized species of flamingos, divided between the Americas and the Old World. Greater flamingo, Phenicopterus roseus, the largest species, widespread in Africa, southern Europe, the Middle East, and parts of Asia. American flamingo, also called Caribbean flamingo, Phenicopterus ruber, found in the Caribbean, northern South America, the Yucatan Peninsula, and the Galapagos Islands. Chilean flamingo, Phenicopterus chilensis, primarily in South America. Lesser flamingo, Pheniconius minor, the smallest and most numerous, mainly in Africa and India. Andean flamingo, Phenicopterus andinus, high-altitude species in the Andes. Puna flamingo, or James's flamingo, Phenicopterus jamesi, also in the Andes. Physical characteristics. Flamingos are tall birds, with the greater flamingo reaching heights of 3.9 to 4.7 feet, 1.2 to 1.4 meters, and weighing up to 9 pounds, 4 kilograms. Their wingspans range from 3.3 to 5 feet, 1 to 1.5 meters. Key features include long, thin legs with webbed feet, adapted for wading in shallow waters, an S-shaped neck for reaching into water while feeding, a specialized bill with lamellae, comb-like structures for filter feeding. The upper jaw is movable, unlike in most birds. Plumage that ranges from pale pink to deep crimson, derived from carotenoid pigments in their diet. Chicks are born gray or white and gradually turn pink. They often stand on one leg to conserve body heat, tucking the other under their feathers. Habitat and distribution. Flamingos inhabit shallow saline or alkaline lakes, lagoons, mudflats, estuaries, and coastal areas, often in harsh, inhospitable environments with high salt content that deter most other species. They are found on multiple continents, Old World species, greater and lesser, in sub-Saharan Africa, the Middle East, India, and southern Europe. New World species in South America, the Caribbean, and occasionally straying to North America, e.g., rare sightings in Florida after hurricanes. They are highly adaptable to extreme conditions, with glands that excrete excess salt, allowing them to drink salt water. Diet and feeding behavior. Flamingos are filter feeders. They stir up mud with their feet, then submerge their heads upside down, pumping water through their bills to trap food with the lamellae. Their diet includes blue-green algae and diatoms, brine shrimp, crustaceans, insect larvae, mollusks, and small fish. The pink color comes from carotenoids in algae and shrimp. Birds fed a carotenoid-poor diet in captivity turn pale and less supplemented. Behavior and social life. Flamingos are highly gregarious, forming massive colonies, sometimes over 1 million birds, especially lesser flamingos, called flamboyances, stands, or colonies. They are noisy, with honking and grunting calls for communication and flock coordination. In flight, they form long lines or V formations, with necks extended and legs trailing. They perform elaborate group courtship displays, synchronizing movements to stimulate breeding. Reproduction. Flamingos breed in large colonies on mudflats or islands. They build volcano-shaped mud nests, laying one chalky white egg. Both parents incubate and feed the chick. Crop milk, a nutrient-rich secretion from their upper digestive tract, pink in color due to carotenoids. Chicks join creches, large groups for protection. Lifespan in the wild can exceed 50 years. One greater flamingo in captivity lived to at least 83. Conservation status. Most species are of least concern, but Andean and Puna flamingos are vulnerable or near threatened due to habitat loss, mining, egg collection, and climate change. Pollution and human disturbance threaten breeding sites, though protected areas in places like Africa and South America help. Flamingos remain one of nature's most striking and sociable birds, thriving in environments few others can tolerate.